Hi everyone, this is Mateo with Arcade.dev, and today I wanted to show you a very quick demo of Arcade MCP. I'm documenting this at the moment, and I just thought it was super cool that we can just add a tool and have it auto-reload in Cursor. So let me show you how to do that. I'm starting from a fresh directory in Cursor. There's nothing inside, and I also removed all of the MCP servers that I used to have. So I will create a new virtual environment. We'll activate it. We'll just close this, and I will install Arcade MCP. So pip install Arcade MCP all, and I will make sure that I'm logged in to Arcade. I am. And then I will create a new Arcade MCP server. So Arcade new, I will call it MCP Mateo. And this added up just 3 files. So basically here, I will put something like my secrets. I could put my Arcade API key if I wasn't logged in and it would recognize it. My Arcade user ID. But now, since I am logged in, they will be just inferred from my credentials in my terminal. I get a project that I can use to publish this MCP server if I want to, and I have the code, right? So it by default gives me an MCP app, a greet tool that will just say hello, whatever name, whisper secret that will return the last 4 digits of the secrets that I have, and get post in subreddit. This one is interesting because it requires auth. So Arcade will use its integration to Reddit. It will use my Arcade API key and connect my user to Reddit. So let's try that. MCP Mateo. You can say just Arcade MCP, and I'm going to add reload so that if I change anything, it will just reload the server. I will open a new terminal, and I will actually activate server. Go to MCP Mateo, and we'll say Arcade configure cursor from local. So if I go to my connected MCP servers, I hit, and then I'm already connected. That's super cool. And I can say something like get me the latest posts in the RMCP subreddit. And it will try to call the Arcade MCP get post in subreddit tool. I can add this to the allow list. I already have the response, and now Cursor is going to go ahead and present this to me. While Cursor is doing that, let's look at the code. It's very simple. I just have a decorator. It says requires auth, and I can specify the specific scopes that I want. And Arcade comes with a lot of these integrations. So if I go here at the top, you will see from Arcade MCP server auth import Reddit, and I will add another one, X, and I will ask Cursor to actually improve the MCP server itself, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and select all of this code, and then yeah, it did that. I'm gonna go ahead and select all of this code. I'm gonna say add to chat and say, based on this code, please add another tool that uses the X auth service to get me the latest tweets given a Twitter username, right? So what I want is that Cursor adds another tool that interacts with a different service. It should add the decorator app tool requires auth X with the scopes tweet read and user read, because it's a 2-step process, right? So I need to go get the username, get the user ID from the username, and then with that user ID, I go ahead and get the actual tweets from that user. So cursor is thinking, it's adding X auth and so on, and we should get the patch very soon. Yeah, here we are. So it did it very well. App tool requires auth X, scopes tweet read, users read, and let's see, it will strip the username if it has it. It will get the token, it will set the headers correctly, users by username, correct, user ID tweets, that's correct. It will do some validation and actually go ahead and get the tweets, which is exactly what I wanted. If I keep this and I go to my previous terminal, we see that it detected the changes and is shutting down. It's blocked at the moment by cursor, so I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect and connect again, and now we have an extra tool. It says Arcade MCP get latest tweets. So I'm gonna go ahead on the chat and say, get me the latest tweets by Mateo. Add MCP Mateo. And it already got the data, it's gonna present it to me. And this is how easy it is to improve an MCP server and reload it into cursor and have more tools, right? It's great for coding agents, it's great for cursor. We're working on making this auto reload not require a disconnection. So you will just refresh the connection, and it depends on the MCP client specifically. But I mean, honestly, this is the easier way to build MCP servers ever. Until the next time, guys, happy building.